And welcome back. Well, as you can see, we had a few clouds in the sky today, but that did not stop temperatures from getting up there in the upper 90s once again. Of course, you've heard it over and over now. Unfortunately, we've set more records across the state, including here in Hattiesburg, or I should say tied a record. Visible satellite, once it swings back around here, you can see we had those clouds pop up right around midday. Stay with us. Again, we've seen this telltale clockwise flow that's indicative of a high pressure. And of course, this is nothing you haven't heard, and this is going to be kind of the same forecast until we talk about next week. We're talking about quite cooler temperatures in store near fall, or actually below average temperatures in some locations. But for today, 97 degrees was our high. Again, that tied a record set back in 1925. 68 was this morning's low. No precipitation, of course, and any precipitation showing up right now. We've had a few drizzle patches well up to the east. These are moving off to the west. Most of this, though, isn't even reaching the ground, so we're not going to worry about any of that. You might have a few sprinkles, and that'd be all that we could expect out of these drizzle showers, whatever you want to call them. Lows for tonight will be right near 70 degrees. Winds out of the northeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour, and clear skies. And tomorrow, we're going to do it all over again. Temperatures once again in the mid-90s. Winds still out of the east. Mostly sunny skies and just hot. And unfortunately, it's not going to get better, at least through your work week. Heat index values between 100 to 105 degrees once again. And it's just scorching hot outside. Now, drought monitor real quick. So let's take a look at this. We have some dry conditions off to our east and to our northeast, and that's really about it. So if you look at this, you would think, oh, well, we're not doing too bad. We're not really talking about fire danger, but we are. Again, drought monitor is just saying that, okay, how dry is the ground, but we're not talking about a lot of vegetation here. We are very dry right now. We actually have several counties in our viewing area that are under burn bans, and we're probably going to see more throughout your work week into next week as well, because even though we're looking at a cold front rolling on through, it's not going to bring us a lot of shower activity. So even though you see this drought monitor, it shows us dry conditions here in Hattiesburg, it shows us near average, we are still dealing with fire weather because it is so dry outside in terms of we haven't received really any measurable rain for a while. And it's still going to be a little while as well. Now, where's the cold front right now? We can barely see the kind of southern tip of it right now. This to the northwest of this whole moisture plume. This is bringing flooding rains across the central U.S. Here over our neck of the woods, again, we still have some moisture. That's why it's been a little muggy outside. It'll be muggy going into tomorrow. There's that high pressure just kind of sitting up to our northeast. And if we zoom on out here, there is the cold front. These greens, it brings some nice temperatures. I'm ready for these temperatures to kind of dip on down. It's going to cool us on off, and some models are hinting at us actually having several rounds of cooler weather over the span of about 2 to 3 weeks once we get into next week. So wait on that. Jury's still out on a few of those, but we do know that we're going to have some cooler weather here as we go into your Monday. Forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. We'll show you that now. Throughout this week, again, temperatures in the mid-90s, but starting on Sunday, we're going to be right near 90, then upper 80s for Monday, and some places on Tuesday will not get out of the 70s, as those overnight lows are also going to be a little chilly outside in the mid-50s starting Monday night.